And here is the cloud massage machine. This is pretty cool. I want to make a little review video. You've got your power button. I'm on the just kind of the simple settings. So once you press the power button, it will start massaging and do kind of like a beginner style massage. But you can see that these are squeezing and compressing. And then also on the bottom of my feet is massaging. You've got your adjustment here for that massage adjustment, and then you've got your power, your intensity. You've also got a vibration button, and then you've got your heat button for heating. Well, you can kind of see the compression squeezes in, squeezes out. But this first little setting is 15 minutes long. You've got your power cord that will go over onto a transformer and then plug into the wall. I've also got an adjustment bar so you can make it flat or you can tilt it back. But this thing has been awesome. I've used this like almost every day and has really helped any kind of foot pain or just being tired after work. That's what the front looks like that. But this is the cloud massage. This thing is awesome. Once you get it, you can't live without it. Can highly recommend this cloud massager.